Have you ever looked at a giant wind turbine and wondered, what if we could generate wind power without the blades? No spinning arms, no loud noise, no massive towers dominating the landscape. It sounds impossible, but a Spanish startup says they've already built it, and now they're aiming for a massive 100-megawatt prototype that could completely reshape the future of renewable energy. This is the story of the world's first bladeless wind turbine. For years, wind power has been one of the fastest-growing sources of renewable energy on Earth. According to the International Energy Agency, global wind capacity increased by around 170 gigawatts in 2025 alone, and the industry is expected to keep growing rapidly in 2026. Countries everywhere are investing billions into wind farms because wind energy is clean, renewable, and capable of powering millions of homes. But despite all that growth, traditional wind turbines still have major problems, and most of those problems come from one thing: the blades. Those massive spinning blades create a long list of challenges. They produce noise pollution, they require enormous installation areas, they can harm birds and bats, they're expensive to manufacture, expensive to maintain, and difficult to recycle once they wear out. On top of that, many people simply don't like how they look. Entire communities have protested against wind farms because of their visual impact on landscapes and coastlines. So engineers around the world started asking a very important question: can we harvest wind energy without using blades at all? And that's where this Spanish company enters the picture. The company is called Vortex Bladeless, and instead of building giant rotating turbines, they created something that looks more like a tall, vibrating pole. Seriously, no blades, no gears, no spinning machinery, just a vertical cylinder standing upright in the wind. At first glance, it doesn't even look like it should work, but the science behind it is actually fascinating. The technology relies on a concept called aeroelasticity. Now that might sound complicated, but here's the simple version. When wind flows around an object, it creates swirling air patterns called vortices. This effect is known as vortex shedding. Normally, engineers try to avoid vortex shedding because it can cause structures to vibrate violently. In fact, one of the most famous engineering disasters in history, the collapse of the Tacoma Narrows Bridge in 1940, happened partly because of aeroelastic vibrations caused by wind. But Vortex Bladeless had a completely different idea. Instead of fighting the vibrations, why not use them? So their turbine is designed to sway back and forth naturally as the wind passes around it. As the vortices synchronize with the structure's movement, the entire cylinder enters something called aeroelastic resonance. That motion generates kinetic energy. Inside the turbine, magnets and coils convert that movement directly into electricity. No rotating blades required. It's a radical shift from traditional wind energy. Instead of spinning, the turbine oscillates, and according to the company, that simple change could solve many of the biggest problems facing wind power today. One of the biggest advantages is noise reduction. Traditional wind turbines produce a constant whooshing sound as the blades cut through the air. Bladeless systems are almost silent. The company says noise levels stay below 20 Hz, which is incredibly low. That could make these turbines much more suitable for residential areas or rural communities where noise complaints are common. Another major advantage is maintenance. Traditional turbines contain complex moving parts, gearboxes, bearings, brakes, rotating shafts, and massive blades constantly exposed to weather stress. All of that requires expensive maintenance over time. But bladeless turbines have far fewer mechanical components. Fewer moving parts usually means fewer breakdowns and potentially much longer operational lifespans. Vortex claims their systems could last anywhere from 32 to 96 years depending on operating conditions. That's an enormous claim if it proves true. There's also the issue of wildlife. Conventional wind turbines are known to kill birds and bats through blade collisions. Environmental groups have raised concerns about the impact large wind farms can have on ecosystems. Bladeless turbines dramatically reduce that risk because there are no spinning blades in the air. And visually, these structures are far less intrusive. Instead of giant propeller-like machines covering the horizon, you have slim vertical towers that blend more naturally into the environment. That could improve public acceptance of wind energy projects around the world. Now let's talk about the actual models being developed. One of the company's most talked about designs is called the Vortex Tacoma. This smaller model stands about 9 feet tall and can generate up to 100 watts of power. That may not sound like much compared to industrial wind turbines, but the goal isn't to replace giant utility-scale systems overnight. The Tacoma is aimed at small-scale applications like homes, cabins, farms, and rural installations. And because the unit weighs only around 15 kilograms, or about 33 pounds, installation becomes much easier and cheaper. The turbine can also operate in wind speeds up to 35 meters per second and includes safety systems for extreme weather conditions. In theory, these lightweight devices could eventually be deployed in places where traditional turbines simply aren't practical. But here's where things get really ambitious. The company is now targeting a massive 100-megawatt prototype. That's no longer small-scale experimentation. That's utility-level power generation. If successful, it could prove that bladeless wind technology is capable of competing with traditional wind farms on a much larger scale. However, there's still a long road ahead, because while the concept is exciting, scaling it up is the real challenge. Generating electricity from vibration is one thing, generating enough electricity to compete economically with giant rotating turbines is another. And critics point out that traditional wind turbines are already highly optimized after decades of engineering improvements. Bladeless systems still need to prove they can match efficiency, reliability, and power output at commercial scale. So far, the technology remains in development, and Vortex Bladeless is actively searching for investors and industry partners to help bring larger prototypes to life. But they're not alone. Multiple companies around the world are now trying to reinvent wind power from the ground up. And honestly, that's probably a good thing, because the world desperately needs cleaner, cheaper, and more scalable energy solutions. What makes this story so interesting is that it challenges one of the biggest assumptions in renewable energy. For decades, we believed bigger blades meant better wind power, but now engineers are asking, what if the future of wind energy has no blades at all? No spinning giants, no endless maintenance, no massive environmental footprint, just elegant structures moving naturally with the wind itself. Whether bladeless turbines become the next major energy revolution or remain a niche technology, one thing is clear. The renewable energy industry is evolving faster than ever before, and the next breakthrough might not look anything like the machines we know today. So what do you think? Could bladeless turbines actually replace traditional wind farms someday? Or are spinning blades still the best solution for large-scale renewable energy? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more future technology and energy innovations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.